we are at the Santom Pier. We have taken a ticket of 30 Thai baht each to Vattarun. We are waiting for a boat. They said we should come in 5 minutes. We made a slight blunder that we booked a premium grab. It costed around 230 baht instead of the normal one, which would have costed around 110 maybe. And after we sat and we were very happy that Toyota Camry Hybrid has a ride for us. I said, wow, it turns out it was a premium experience. So yeah, we wasted around 120 extra baht for that, but that's okay. We're all learnings. So yeah, we're waiting for a cab. It's again very sunny today. Slightly better than normal, humid, but well, let's see, you know, once we go there. And yeah, I think if you see on the very far, not sure if you can see Asiatic from here. Yeah, that is the Ferris wheel we went on last week, I think on Sunday night. So yeah, so that will be the Asiatic, and this way we go towards this Vattarun and Icon Siam and other locations. Okay, this is some smile boat that we have booked. This is not the blue flag, and this stops there. Oh, looks very good. Though it doesn't have a outdoor seating, but yeah, looks good either way. Premium experience today, huh? Oh, one more premium thing that we have. This is very useful. You can charge it at home, and this works quite well. Okay. This is air conditioned, who would have thought? So we'll sit that side, huh? Yeah.
Where you going, sir?
Thank you. Okay, so I think we can pay directly here as well through card. We have arrived at the Vattarun Pier. There's a lot of line to go inside the cruise. It was very comfortable for 30 bahts. So you bought the tickets for 200 bahts per person, and I think they give a bottle fee as well along with it, which is very nice of them. So let's go. So apparently they stamp it.
With free water.
And we get a free water bottle, which I think is also tagged with Vattarun. Cool. Let's explore a couple of shops as well. So we are going to get a lot of tan. I think seems a lot of Thai people and others come for photo shoot here as well, and they have a professional service here. And they provide you with the proper Thai dress. You can get a photo shoot if you want. The architecture is amazing. Okay, and then we have some people hiding for the shade. We found one of them. Okay, so checking it closely, you can see how beautiful it looks. Beautiful. Okay, so some steps to climb. Apparently we can't go till up. It's only allowed till here. So I think we're done with the temple. We've gone through 2-3 rounds and it's absolutely beautiful. So how can you come? You can come through the road or you can, like us, take a ferry. It's on the west bank of the Chao Phraya river. So the orange flag cruise comes here, and there's the hop on hop off come here. I think yellow flag also comes here, so that can be done. Or you can come through the road normally. So there are a couple of ways to come. If you're coming during the day, not much shade here, so very hot. So make sure you cover yourself properly. They also give a water bottle, which is very helpful. So that can be done. And yeah, I think you will need at least an hour or more to explore this. It's not a very huge campus like what 4 was there. That was super huge. It's a smaller one, but the compound is absolutely beautiful. I think it has gone through a lot of maintenance work. Last one was in 2016 or somewhere, and with a lot of tiles and everything were changed here. And I think it is less colorful than what it was earlier. This is the photos of the old that we see, but still it's very beautiful. I would recommend that you come in the evening, maybe 4:30 p.m. or 5 p.m. and it's open till 6 p.m. in the evening, so that will be a perfect time to come. Or you can maybe 8 in the morning, 9 a.m. in the morning, so that will be also be fine. There is an exhibition out there. Let's have a look. We'll have a look. Yeah? Let's go. Make sure you have sunscreen, especially in this months of April, May, June, when it's very sunny. That is very helpful. And I think you also get costumes here. There's a lot of people getting photo shoot done in the traditional costume. Everywhere you'll see people like these. And Thai people look beautiful, in their Thai costumes here. So if you plan to do that, that can be done. I think they provide service of clicking pictures, there's professional camera and all, everything they provide. So we have a very good exhibition here, just beside the temple. Tells about all the dynasties which have come and about all the work that was done for this Batarun over the period of years. So more beautiful photograph, what it means, all of them very well told and informed. Very good gallery to understand the place. So guys, we are finally leaving now. We spent some time in this exhibition. If you're coming here, I would recommend that you go through the exhibition first. It's just on this side of the temple, and it has very good details of what this temple represents, what all things have been there, what restoration work has been done over the years, what things have changed, the importance of this place. It's very nice, all the coins where it is, and you get to understand how important this temple is to the history and culture of Thailand. So yeah, that would be my suggestion. If you come here, go to the exhibition once, even probably before visiting the temple here. Once you go through it, then you can come here, and then probably you can understand. It is explained beautifully, what all means, what are parts of this, like very nice. So yeah, beautiful place. We are leaving now. We'll probably go to Icon Siam because we have slightly less time. We'll again take another ferry, and from there it should be just 10 minutes ride from there. We'll try to take a orange flag now, and let's see. Okay, so we have come in the boat now, and we are going to Icon Siam from here. So we have to take this blue line ticket only. Turns out orange flag will not stop anymore at Batarun from today itself. The date was 5th April. So bad luck for us, but that's okay. And the thing about this blue line is that it's a 30 baht ticket, so it doesn't matter where you are getting up. Once you hop off, to again hop off, you have to buy another ticket. So this is only valid for hop off. You can hop off anywhere you want. So that's okay. So from there probably we'll take a orange black ticket, and from there we can go.
For passengers alighting here.
Check out the 3D effects. Love the kites. Check out this one. Looks great. Welcome to Icon CM. I think some performance or something might be happening in the evening here. Probably next time we'll try to stay here. Lovely location. So let's go inside, huh? Looks brilliant. I wish we had more time to spend here. We have come, I think, 2 floors from there. We are searching from a floor from where we have a terrace where we can go to. So, yeah, just trying to find out. But amidst that, and this is, if you see, Jim Thompson store. And there's one of the place in Bangkok, Jim Thompson house, where you can visit, where Jim Thompson lived for a couple of years, and it's a beautiful house if you want to go. I did not, but that is one of the attractions of Bangkok. Okay, some foreign exchange or something it looks like. Not sure. Come. Okay, the Apple Experience Center. Oh man, looks big. Wow, huge store of Apple. We visited one in Singapore that was also amazing, and this one too looks magnificent. Never seen such in India, to be honest. Maybe the new one which is open in Mumbai, but otherwise, and this is awesome. So the way through this Apple store only, I did not know that earlier. So this is the Icon Siam Park. It's an observation deck. I bet it will look beautiful during the evening. When we came here last time 3 years back, we somehow missed it. But either way, we'll check it out now. Lovely. Kites flying high. This is the Hilton and the iconic Icon Siam along with Apple. I think it's a good place, especially in the evenings. Now also it's good. It's good shade. Okay, I think we can go there as well. Let's have a look. Lovely. Both the speakers, nice. And they have a very nice fountain show. It's very long actually here, and it happens I think in the evening time or not sure during that, but every hour or so it happens. So we'll see. By the time we are going back, I hope it happens. We'll stop for 10 minutes to see that. So it turns on BMW showroom on the 3rd floor of the mall. Lovely. is the 6th floor and the food court here actually. And look how beautiful it looks. The malls of the Bangkok are on different level. And that's when we did not go to a few of the very famous malls like Siam Paragon and others. But wow, everything looks wonderful. And I think there are some restaurants on the other side which have access to the rooftop. So I'm sure at night this will look wonderful. So at this point we are trying to find if we can get some good Italian restaurant. If not, then probably we'll go for some Indian restaurant. Okay, let's check the menu. Very nice. Spinach corn, some starter we have done. Then paneer tikka masala, and we are only eating rice today. So it's an Indian restaurant called Masala Art. This is the second time we are coming here. We could not find any good Italian, to be honest. Here we are on the clock at this point. But yeah, we'll enjoy our food now. So overall it was a good day for us. This being our last day in Bangkok, we had checked out earlier in the morning from a hotel, and we wanted to make sure that we don't waste Vatarun when we are in Bangkok, and we made sure of that. We went in the afternoon, and though it was a bit hot, but the place is so beautiful and we love to explore the place. And to finish it off, we took a boat, went to Icon Siam and explored the mall, which is huge, and it was great, we also loved it. So next plan is that we are going to Pattaya from here for next 3 days. That will be our home. We'll be covering the place, and the videos for which should already be out at this point. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.